To have something that's plug and play that you just install, commission, and forget about.
What are the main advantages of the MACH reactor compared to other technologies?
Well, there's actually quite a long list. And I'm not just saying that because I'm trying to sound better than everybody else, but there is a long list. And I think the one that probably stands out for me the most has got to be the zero maintenance aspect of the MACH. Because all of these shear reactor, static mixer technologies, since their inception, since over 20 years ago, they've all been plagued with very, very high wear. They don't last very long.
Yeah.
They have wear parts that you've got to periodically change out. And some of them you've got to change the whole reactor out within 3 to 4 months. And to have something that's plug and play that you just install, commission, and forget about, and carry on with running the rest of your plant, that's unheard of. There is no technology that's like that. Every other technology will require unblocking of gas lines. There will be something that you need to do. So the MACH stands, I think, head and shoulders above the rest when it comes to the zero maintenance aspect of it. And then linked to zero maintenance is the long lifespan of the reactor. Because we have MACH reactors installed in operating plants that are over 11 years old. And it's the original reactors that we installed 11 years ago and we commissioned. We haven't changed out wear parts, we haven't done anything to it. So still the same original units. And that is, again, something unheard of in the industry. There's no other reactor, I think, that will have a lifespan that long where you wouldn't have to change something out on the unit. So that's also saying something, especially for clients that want to purchase reactors. Not everybody wants to lease a reactor. Some clients would prefer to own it. And then if you do own the reactor, it's good to know that you're probably going to, that reactor will be there when you shut your plant down. At the end of life of your operation, it'll be the same reactor that's standing there. So again, that's a standout feature. And then I would say the other thing, getting to the more practical aspects of it, is the MACH is also the only self-aspirating reactor on the market. So it's the only cavitation reactor. I call it a shear reactor because there is no category for cavitation reactor, right? For all the competition, they are static mixers or shear reactors. The MACH stands above that in that it's a cavitation reactor, but there is no industry category for that because there's no other reactor that's a cavitation reactor.
So it's paving its own path.
It's absolutely in its own category.